Hey, stats class. I know you're probably disappointed that I'm not here today, but I think you'll be fine without me. Um, all right, that was a little bit of a joke with probability. But anyway, so we're working on this three strikes problem, and it's a really intriguing game from The Price is Right. And I feel like there's an answer that we came to a conclusion with, at least one group did, yesterday. And what I would really like to have you guys to do today first is to really shore up your answer. Is that really the correct answer? Now, how do we going to get to the point where we're going to agree that that's the correct answer? I need two ways for you to show me that that answer is correct. It sounds like there was one way that was presented on the board, but I would like you guys to find another way. Um, I do want to um, encourage you to explore the idea of counting the sample size and the favorable outcomes using things that we've learned this chapter. Um, think about how many different orders that we can choose the numbers and the tile or and the strikes. So I want you to think about that because there's a way that we can use that, and I think one group had the total sample size calculated correctly. When you think about the favorable outcomes when it comes to that, I'm kind of speaking a little bit here without giving a lot of information because I want you guys to get it, is go back to that idea to win. It means if you drew all seven blocks, that the last one would be a strike. Use that and counting methods to see if you can figure out the number of favorable outcomes. So you already have one way. I'd like that way written on the board nice and clearly for me to see when I get back. I would like you to come up with a second way to hopefully get the same answer. I would also like that on the whiteboard when I get back. And just to do a double check, I would like an experimental probability calculated and displayed on the board. So that can go on the board right over there for when I get back. When you finish this task, I want you to go on and watch the next video I'm going to post.